Got your Dion's, the Ravens, Jacksons. Got these in here. Say the biggest size they got is an 8.5. Alright, y'all. So now we on a different beach. I got a cinnamon roll and a mussel, whatever. That's what they got in the toppers, y'all. My bad. I didn't even show y'all. Hold on. Alright, we in shoot palace, y'all. We got pretty much the same thing. You got your Royals. You got your Royals. Hey, mama. Got your Dion's, the Ravens. You got some KDs with there. You like those? Thank you. Got your Barclays in here. The Bo Jacksons. These in here, I think the biggest size they got is an 8.5. Y'all want them. Jordan, right there. Jordan, look, there go mama. White skinks. You got the red hair. Still got orange. Of course, the usuals. I'm gonna get these. They being stubborn on going them on sale. I'm gonna get these. You still got the frappes, mochachinos. I forgot what they're called. Once they got them, y'all want them. I ain't no need to go on sale too. Hot City. I got these. Okay. Did you see something over there? Alright, y'all. So that's pretty much what they had. Different beach. Alamona something. I'm gonna put it up here on the screen because I can't pronounce it. I ain't even try to. Now it looks like there's less people here, or it's just more beach, like more spread out. But it's pretty decent. Can't complain. I'm letting baby get in nothing right now, and then I get in there in a minute. The scenery is beautiful. Very beautiful. I appreciate y'all for coming along with me in this Hawaii vacation. I hope y'all like the tour video. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you turn on all post notifications and join the Straightforward family. Comment down below if you're liking the videos, or if you've ever been here before, if you've ever done the things that we're doing, or if you have any suggestions to do things. By the time I upload this video, we might be on to the next vacation, but leave a comment anyway, because we definitely will come back, and I'll keep that in mind for next time, I'll come back to this video and read the comment section and say, oh yeah, so and so said do this or try this. So we got some more things to do. We just kind of chilling. It's the second beach day. Just kind of kick it back, enjoying the beach and stuff like that. Probably get something to eat later on. That's about it. We had IHOP earlier for breakfast before we came. We stopped through the mall for y'all. So yeah, we're gonna get in this beach. So I'm gonna chill for a minute, kind of get off these feet for a second because we've done a lot of walking around in the mall. And then we're gonna see y'all later.
Yeah, on my phone. I'll send it to you. Video. Yeah, put your leg down. There you go. My arm, yeah. I feel like natural distance. Okay, sorry. No, it's okay. That's part of it.
Yeah, bud, shut up. You're cooked. Look at this tree, dog. The tree is massive. We cut that down, boy. That's gonna take a few years. Gonna take a few years. Alright, y'all. We're at the Lila Bakery. This is just some of the stuff that they have. Some of the stuff that they have.
Let me see.
Put these receipts on camera. Alright, y'all. So this the stuff we got. And I got a cinnamon roll and a mussel whatever donut. This the only one they had was the apple. We may try that other store that my brother told me about, but we seen that they had them when the other store's gonna be closed by the time we got there. So we finna try this and see what's here. As you can see, we got like the apple filling all around them. It's actually pretty decent. If I can get this shit to focus. Alright, y'all, so we back at the hotel. And still eating this. That's how much I have left. This shit pretty decent. It's cold. I probably could have stayed for it to be hot and warm it up, but we don't have a microwave in the room, and I don't feel like walking way over there just to warm it up for it to be cold by the time I get back to this motherfucker. But motherfucker hot. I'm probably gonna say that but yeah, I'm probably gonna say that cinnamon roll for tomorrow. But this was pretty decent. I can't be mad at it. I'm good with like a 7. If it was warmed up, it'd be like an 8.5. Alright, y'all. We trying the cookies. Y'all. It's the next day, so I'm trying them now. Let's see what they hitting like. And there they is. I can't remember the names of them, so I'm gonna put them up on the screen. But yeah, there they go. I think we got like 6 cookies, if I'm not mistaken. So we're gonna see. Alright, this is the first cookie. I'm gonna put it up there. And y'all can see we got this big turd in the middle. I'm gonna see what this thing hitting on. Alright, let's see y'all. It's good. It probably was better when it was warm. It was good. I'm gonna give it an 8. But if it was warm, it'd be an 8.5 or a 9. And this is the s'mores cookie. It kind of got stuck to the bag, so it's kind of like, you know what I'm saying, messed up around here. And then let me see if I can show the bottom. Let's see, they got the little cracker at the bottom, the graham cracker. So we're gonna see what it's hitting like. Alright, let's see.
It's good. I get this. Like I say, they cold, so about a 7.5 warm, and it'll be about 8. I need some milk with this too. But I'm gonna go and close y'all out. I appreciate y'all for rocking with me through this journey and these vlogs in Hawaii. Make sure you turn on all post notifications. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you comment. And join the Straightforward family. You know what I'm saying? Next is Puerto Rico, so I hope y'all ready for that. And then after that, it's gonna be Houston. So I'm excited about that. I appreciate y'all for rocking with me. Make sure you share the videos. Make sure you tell a friend. Go to the Instagram. Follow the Instagram. You know, I also post on the stories there. Go to the Facebook. Do the same thing there. Because I know some people on YouTube ain't on Facebook, just like some people on Facebook ain't on Instagram. Some people on Instagram ain't on Facebook, and some people on Instagram ain't on YouTube. So, and vice versa with Facebook. So, I love y'all. Y'all keep loving me. Keep supporting me. I'm going to keep supporting y'all. And I'm going to see y'all on the next video. DIGG.